Okay, today I will show you how to safely cut on the grain, okay? See these lines? These lines are the muscle striations, okay? If you cut this in half, you can see the muscle fibers, okay? So to cut against the grain, we're going to cut this way, okay? That means against the grain. So if you want to cut it in half, trim off some of the fat, very carefully, put your hand to the other side. You don't want to waste too much. And then this is our grain running this way. We're going to cut against the grain, so kind of perpendicular, okay? I like to angle it, especially if we're doing something like a stir fry or a fajita. Go very slowly with the knife and get a nice thin piece, okay? You should be able to see your partners through it, okay? Nice and easy on the angle, okay? All right, 45 degrees, okay? And that's cutting on the grain. Remember, the grain runs this way, you're cutting perpendicularly. Even if you can't do the angle, cut down straight. Thank you.